I'm Sister Jacqueline from Cameroon. I'm here in Dubai for the event of Gulfood to present my products. The products made by us. We have international organization, FAFE, Forum African des Femmes Entrepreneurs. And here I'm coming with the products coming from our farm and based with cacao. We have cacao butter, we have cacao tea, we have chocolate paste. You have cacao powder, the pure one. You have cacao seed. You have cacao seed. They give you energy. You have chocolate with spices like J&CIM, coconut, chocolate, and so on. You have the peanut that you rub with powder of cacao powder. They give you energy and have a very good taste. You have also the coffee come from Cameroon also. The coffee, you have snap, coconut, lemon, peanuts, and so on. We are very happy to be here and present it to the whole world what we are able to do. And if somebody needs it, you can contact us by our Facebook page, who is J&CIM Natural, with the address in our page of Facebook. Thank you very much.